Come back to the recipe, some cabbage, franks and egg, also and bread. Jamaican cooking, lumberjack. Please like and share. So I have the egg mix right here. I have some tomato cut up here, cabbage, pepper, scallion, onion, garlic, cabbage cut up. So I add all of these ingredients to cabbage and thing. So please watch the video to the end, like and share. It's a recipe, it's simple, natural recipe. So guys, starting by stir up my cabbage and thing, the vegetable them and the franks combined together. So I'll show you step by step. So add some Maggi seasoning to taste and flavor. Please watch the video to the end, like and share. Remember, Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. It's a recipe are eatable, tastable, delicious. Please add some salt, taste and flavor to it. So I'm starting by stir them up together and then combine to one. So please go over to my YouTube channel, subscribe and like. So guys, today I must add it. Come on and combine to one. I'm gonna mix it the right and proper way. Another update and thing there, guys. So I'm starting by adding the egg to it and thing. Yeah, come on to combine to one. So I'm going to cover it and we go and cook for around 10 minutes, guys. Alright, come on, cabbage time to cook right here how me want it. A very delicious meal, guys. You can see recipe, quality, presentation. It look eatable, delicious. Another update, guys. See there, so I'm gonna turn it up. Come on, I want here. I want to cook right through. So another update again, guys. See what going on now. It does look delicious, eatable, tastable. So please watch the video to the end, like and share. It's a natural simple recipe. Simple natural recipe. Right? So we'll see me I eat it and think that it's nice. First I try it and it's nice. Yeah, so in that day, I turn it up and think I'm more the cabbage steam right out and cook right out. And I don't want it burn up, guys. So I'm starting by stir up my pot and thing. Here you can see what I go on. I'm I go on myself and thing, I'm stirring it and I'm stirring it. Because I'm there hungry. So I'm going to try natural simple recipe. And the first I try it and it's nice. Cabbage, franks, egg, with its spicy vegetable them. It tastes nice, man. It really tastes nice. So you can see presentation, you see bread right there. You see quality and the recipe, eatable, delicious, ready to eat. Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Please like and share. It's a recipe are eatable, tastable, delicious. At the first I try it, but it's eatable. Please try it and tell me about it. Thanks.